Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about rotate left instruction of 8086 microprocessor in assembly language. So, and we are going to test this instruction in EMU8086 environment, right? So, let's first of all discuss what is the format. The format of the instruction is rotate left or ROL. Basically, it is the keyword. Then we will use the destination operand, the operand which is about to be rotated, and comma the count is basically the number of bits which are referring to be rotated, right? So just to exactly understand, we will take an example. So this is an example program, move ax comma 1 to 4f. That means ax will be loaded with this value. So ax value would become what? 1 to 4f, right? Furthermore, what we are doing, we are putting a value uh, in CL, which is 03. So 03 is feeded in CL. It's quite simple. Then we are using this instruction rotate left, and this is applied on this AX register. So AX data will be rotated and rotated by number of units which is defined in this second operand, which is CL. The CL value is what? 03. So that means AX value will be rotating left or rotating towards left by 3 units or by 3 bits, right? Which is the value of CL. So let's do it manually and then we will perform this task in emulator. So 1 to 4F, I will convert it into binary. So it will become 0001, 0, okay, 2 will become 0010, and 4 would be what? 0100, and F would be what? F will be simply 4 times 1. And if I'm going to rotate it towards left, what is going to happen? If I'm going to rotate it 3 units, that means these 3 bits will definitely will be coming out of this picture. So this picture will become what? Simply 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 triple 1, sorry, 4 times 1. And what I have done, I have to rotate these numbers. So that means this 0 will coming up here, the next 0 will coming up here, and this 0 will be coming up here. And why this is coming? Because we have to complete the 16 bits. If you are still not able to understand, let's group them and I hope you will understand them. So if I'm going to group it again in bits of in group of 4 bits, so that would be what? 1001. That 0 will remain, so it will be grouped with other number, which is what? 0 1 0, and then 0 will remain, then it will be grouped over here, and then 1 is remaining, which is grouped with other bits which we have rotated from the left side towards right. So this is the magic we are going to do with this instruction. And if we are going to convert this rotated value in hexadecimal, that will be 9 to 0111 means 7 and 1000 means 8. So this is the result we expect in AX register after the rotation instruction. So let's check it. I will be what? Emulating it. Okay, the first instruction 1 to 4F, it's okay. The next instruction is 03 is loaded, and now I'm going to execute this instruction, which is rotate left AX comma CL, which means AX value will be rotated by value of CL, means 3. So let's execute it, and I hope you can see that the value of AX is now 9278 hex, which is the expected result after the rotation towards left by 3 units. I hope you have understand this instruction. Still, if you have any confusion or query, you can post your queries and questions in comment section. Thank you so much for listening.